Hi everyone, this is Emily Leavitt again, one of the co-founders of Conversation Couture. This is my second reel on how to make some of those business dreams come true. People ask me all the time, what is it like to take a risk to starting your own company? Now, don't get me wrong, starting a company is definitely risky. However, I've actually been taking risks my entire career life. One time when I was working for corporate America in Boston, I marched into my manager's office with a job description in hand. I had found a gap in the company and presented him with the job description and proceeded to tell him why he needed to hire me for the back position. Now, my husband thought I was going to get fired every day, but I was just being my own advocate and went up the corporate ladder faster than most. So my advice to everybody out there is just go for it. Be your own advocate. Show your value. Take that risk that you've been wanting to take. It can only lead to great success. Now, I want to hear from all of you. I want to know in the comments below, tell me some of the risks that you have taken in your career life. It doesn't have to be starting your own company. It can just be a risk that you took. Maybe you took a new job, maybe you switched careers. I'd love to hear how you are being your own advocate. Looking forward to reading about it. Till next time.